Alright. Hello. This is my week 2 review about progress in Namibia and understanding things. Um, this week, I was tasked with understanding more about Hospital Run and what goes on, what the for process behind the code, different statistics, what we are doing, what we're focusing on, what we are using, as well as getting used to the coding that we're going to be doing. Um, in general, with Hospital Run, I have done several reviews. I've looked at the code and information regarding the server and how the apps are intricate are flowing in between each other. The main thing that I was looking at in general was the coding in here, mainly the language section, because the language section is pretty disgusting. Not disgusting in a bad way, but more of like it's a lot of effort and a lot of work that we're going to be doing regarding this. But I understand the different things like regarding the patients, like the how each section has its own little portion of code that is implemented here, how each part, like the template is connected to the controller is connected to the route, and then how all this will display information within each individual section of the hospital run. So I understand the connection between that, and I'll be looking more into that in the future this week. That will be one of my goals right now. Um, Another thing, though, that I remember reviewing is that um, JavaScript is a necessity. When I was looking at the Ember tutorial, well, one, I was glad that Ember is related to Linux because I already understand Linux, so to speak. I did. I took the class last year, so already understand the basic process of Linux. So I'll be able to work and apply this efficiently. Though have been having trouble with the um, Node with the Node.js file. It has not been working fairly well, and I've been trying to use my command prompt. So I'm gonna try to fix that later. Um, but so far, Ember seems to be fairly simple to comprehend, and I look forward to being able to use it. It's like a comp. It's like mainly JavaScript, but also it's similar to Linux with the command module and some of the things like that. So it looks pretty cool to me. Um, but also right now I'm relearning JavaScript. I've been going through the tutorial and just getting some of that things completed. But other than that, um, everything is good. And my goals right now is just learn JavaScript, get understand more of the background of GitHub. Well, like not GitHub, the VirtualBox. Um, get Ember to work on the Node.js, and that's about it. All right. Well, I'll see you next week.